Good morning, everyone, and thank you for inviting me here. And आज ना सबको दिखा है mix हिंदी and English if it's okay. Anybody who does not understand Hindi? Everyone understands, right? Cool. ठीक है. तो आज देख के लग रहा है कि आज से 15-16 साल पहले मैं ऐसे बैठता था, सामने बैठ के प्रेजेंट करता था. I used to feel कि आ गया कोई पकाने फिर से. I tried not to do that. And बहुत ज़्यादा लेक्चर भी नहीं दूंगा मैं because अरे वो आप लोग डेली सुनते ही हो. So I'll not talk too much about IT and not to talk too much about how you should be studying, how you should be kind of behaving in the classroom, because you guys are your best judge. आपको पता है कैसे करना है because that is where now you are here to build up your career. So you guys are mature enough, so I'll not be giving you ज्ञान on that, right? I will be talking to you about something outside IT. When you enter IT, right? Because IT में जाने के बाद में बहुत सारी चीज़ हमको देखनी है, and how is it that we should be adapting ourselves to it? We'll be talking about that today. Okay, so that's my agenda for today: fitness for life. Because not just fitness. शादी में जाना है, वेट कम करना है, वो नहीं है. मेरे को पुराने कपड़े फिट नहीं हो रहे हैं, फिट करने हैं. That's not about fitness. That's not about. That is not how I take fitness with my clients. Right? It is a lifestyle. It is something which you should be embedding in your life. Okay. So my name is Satyendra Lakhwani, which you can read here. It's a pretty long name, Satyendra Lakhwani. You can call me, office में people call me Sati because I have all US Europe clients. Some call me Satyen, people in India. So whatever way you want to call me, that's fine. Sati, Satyen, whatever it is. I work for a company called Tricentis. Tricentis is basically a product company from US, headquartered in US, where we build test automation products. So बहुत सारा software testing होता है. We do the manual testing. We do some open source solutions. I don't know if you've heard of Selenium. We are into that space, but we are enterprise solutions. हम लोग के tools हैं Tosca, Qtest, which people use to test their softwares. That's about Tricentis. And Benefit is my initiative, which I started 4.5 years back, wherein I had to work upon myself, and then people were asking me क्या किया, कैसे किया, right? सबको पहले में weight lose करना होता है. So people started asking me, and वहाँ से then I started this initiative कि चलो ठीक है, सबको लेके चलते हैं साथ. Right? That is where it started with Benefit. Benefit means keeping it simple, keeping it well, and fit means fit. Right? So we look at it. That's what Benefit is all about. Okay, agenda. Quickly, let's know each other. I've given you a brief of myself. I think we move forward. I would want to know about you all. क्या करते हो दिन भर? How is your life? How does your day look like? Then we talk about what to expect in the IT world. Right? यहाँ से मेरे जैसे आदमी को प्लेसमेंट मिल गया, आपको मिल ही जाएगा. राइट? मैं ऐसा खड़े हुए बोल नहीं पाता था. Like 4-5 people came here and spoke. Right? लोगों ने people sang some songs, people sang some poems, people were giving some speeches. When I was at your age, मेरा आप मैं नहीं बोल पा रहा. राइट? अभी मेरे को कुछ मिल गया है तो लाइक सब कोई कुछ समझ कर रहे हैं. राइट? बट यार करने के बाद में when you enter, what is it that you should be prepared for? सब बोलते हैं कि हाँ IT में जाओ, पर वहाँ जाके होने क्या वाला है? We kind of quickly look at that. IT transformation, वो मुझे क्या समझ में आता है कि कौन सा transformation है. ठीक है? The next is how to be prepared for it. कि मैं चला तो जाऊँगा, पर उसके बाद में what next? What is it that I should be doing, and why is it important? Right? So we'll be talking a lot about this. Questions, and if you have any questions, ask me. Just interrupt me. You can and ask any questions you think of. That's the role. Okay, let's know each other. As I said, I've been working in the IT industry now for 14 plus years. Benefit initiative which I started was 4 years back. Again, introduction में काफी बड़ा सा आगे बोल दिया मेरे बारे में, but that's fine. अच्छा लगता है कभी-कभी. So I have been certified from K11 School of Fitness Sciences. I am a certified personal trainer, and kind of help people transform their lifestyle. Again, I've not helped them transform from a weight perspective. Weight other than but I've helped them transform their lifestyles, right? When I say lifestyle, it includes everything: your weight management, your sleep cycle, your food cycle, nutrition, everything. Right? That is where I help, or that is where I talk about a lifestyle. Prepare you for the lifestyle shift because अभी आप जो कर रहे हो you have a fixed schedule, right? When you enter the IT, you'll have to now see कि आपका लाइफ से कैसे शिफ्ट हो जाता है. अभी आप सुबह उठते हो, शाम में सो जाते, रात में सो जाते, पढ़ाई करके. Let's say weekends you may be studying, you may be roaming around, but that will completely shift when you enter the IT world. So I thought I'll quickly tell you that, and so that you can stay healthy, balanced, and high performing from day one. Okay, let's know each other. ये तो था मेरे बारे में. Any one of you who is already into some of these activities, or you are still thinking? पढ़ाई के अलावा है. What about you? Gym. Okay, nice. And for how long?
2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. That's nice. Okay. What else? Anyone else? Any sports? Anything else? Yeah. Yoga. Very nice. How many years?
Maybe from first standard.
First standard. Wow. Nice. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Sports.
Which
District.
what is it? Which sport?
Cricket.
Cricket. Nice. So you bat or ball? Okay. Batting in? Oh, no. Okay. You?
Dance bolo.
From standard. That's nice.
Skating, sir. Sports.
National level skates. I mean, बहुत talented लोग हैं सर. इनके पास क्यों ना फाइटिंग में आगे टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. So I think lot of people are there, and I see majority of people maybe still thinking जो भी मेरा last है कि क्या करना है, ठीक है, सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है और भी कुछ करना है. क्यों करना है? We'll talk about it. Okay, what to expect in IT? IT में जाओगे, ठीक है, IT में जाना है, फिर कोई जाना था, आ गया, फंस गया, ठीक है, फंस गया. Not from career perspective, career wise मेरे को बहुत अच्छा मिला. I mean, I kind of traveled places, not very much. I was within Asia, but I think I met a lot of people. मेरा personal interest is kind of meeting new people, right? That is where my forte comes in. I like talking to people. I like meeting new people. So I started with my career. एक साल Java पे काम किया. Then I moved into project management. I was handling end-to-end projects. Then I moved into this role, which is customer success. Customer success role is basically, it's a new role in India. Bangalore में बहुत है, but Pune में it is now slowly coming in. Wherein when a customer buys a product, you into customer success profile make sure that the customer is getting the value from it. So I manage the customer success team. I joined Licenses as a CSM, and then I am managing that particular one of the teams. So around 10 to 12 people working with me spread across the globe. So that is how the team is spread across. Anyways, again, I don't want to go into IT now. Okay, so once you enter, दिखेगा क्या? Glamour. ठीक है, when I say glamour, fancy furniture दिखेगा, bean bags दिखेंगे, और tables, chairs, Wi-Fi, right? अलग ऑफिस के अंदर में प्लांट उगाते थे लोग, पता नहीं कहाँ से बढ़ करते हैं. So बहुत कुछ glamour दिखेगा, कॉफी वेंडिंग मशीन्स दिखेंगी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक वेंडिंग मशीन्स दिखेंगी, सब फ्री में है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि if you're lucky enough you get into a product company, वहाँ पे तो और ज़्यादा works करते हैं. Right? So that is what the glamour I'm talking about. That is glamour. Next is long working hours. अभी मेरा schedule fix है, 9 बजे मैं आता हूँ, 6 बजे मैं चला जाता हूँ. But this is not going to happen when you enter the IT world, right? This will be crazy time working hours. If you get into a project जैसा मेरा था, I used to work 7 days a week when I started work करने. Monday to Sunday, no offs. I did that for 2-3 years. बैंड बज गया, शादी के बाद में संभालना पड़ा. But anyways, long working hours will come in because project release है, production बढ़ गया, तो बोलेंगे production में issues आ गए हैं, and you have to kind of lot of times sacrifice your weekends as well, right? So that is where this is something which you get. मैं डरा नहीं रहा हूँ, prepare कर रहा हूँ. ये मत बोलना कि सर कोई इधर छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. So you will prepare because that you are in the right place, because I was talking to Sir and everyone. The way you guys are being trained here is amazing. We never had this kind of a thing, right? When I was in college, I had to learn everything on my own. In fact, the entire batch. So you are into the right hands. The way I was looking at success stories on the website, in the office, you guys are in the right place. Make sure you're utilizing this opportunity, taking the advantage. Ask many questions from your teachers, right? But anyways, ask many questions. So do that. Anyway, so coming back to long working hours, ये होने वाला है, ठीक है. अभी पहले भी होता था, we have not seen this in our previous generations. During our parents, our grandparents, when they used to go to work, they also used to work a lot. हम लोग को यहाँ याद नहीं है, but just that उनका काम करने का तरीका अलग था, हम लोग का थोड़ा अलग है, right? less long working hours, नाइट शिफ्ट्स आएंगे, रोस्टर्स बनेंगे, नाइट शिफ्ट्स आने वाले हैं because इंडिया में बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आर सपोर्ट फंक्शंस और टेस्टिंग फंक्शंस where you will be supporting maybe the clients from US or Europe or maybe somewhere in Asia. So you will have multiple shifts which you will be working on, and if you get into a team like support or something, you may get into a roster. Rosters पता है किसी को क्या होता है? तो बताएगा? I see some heads like this and then suddenly become like this. ठीक है, प्रोसेस बेसिकली होते हैं कि मैं आज 2 वीक के लिए नाइट शिफ्ट में काम करने वाला हूँ, उसके बाद 2 वीक मेरे को मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में काम करना है, उसके बाद 2 वीक मेरे को यूरोप शिफ्ट में काम करना है, तो 3 शिफ्ट चलती हैं. सो लाइक पूरा ना स्लीप साइकिल का it goes for us, your life goes for us when you get into a roster and work. Should I take that? Should I not take that? You should take it, right? That is how you grow. Again, उसे डरना नहीं है. Take that as an opportunity. That opportunity as in when you work in those shifts, you will experience different kind of environment in the office. Night shift में मैंने जब काम किया था, we used to have like 5-6 people in the office. हम लोग आराम से रात में कभी छत पे चले जाते थे, पास लोग वहाँ पे वापस आ जाते थे, right? So a lot of these things will be there. You will experience it and don't take it as a thing यार night shift में काम करना पड़ा, that's fine. तो उस माने कुछ होना पड़ेगा, right? But it's just that you have to be prepared कि मेरे को ये लाइफस्टाइल से कैसे अडैप्ट करना है. Next is commute time. घर से ऑफिस जाओगे, ऑफिस से घर आओगे. If you are staying very close to the office, you'll end up paying more rent. That is how the trend is. If you are staying away from the office, you travel more, but you end up paying less rent. वो होने वाला है. So be ready. Commute time बढ़ेगा. आज मैं हॉस्टल में रहता हूँ, कॉलेज में आ जाता हूँ, पूरा मैं आसपास इंस्टीट्यूट के रहता हूँ, मैं आ जाता हूँ. But my commute time करियर के स्टार्टिंग में was 3 hours one way. फातिमा नगर से मैं हिंजवाड़ी फेस पे जाता था, फेस से वापस फातिमा नगर आता था. So that was the commute time. You will not get time. Next is चाय सुट्टा breaks. वो होने वाला है, हम वो आज भी लेते हैं, ठीक है, पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाला है. And then तो हर क्वार्टर में there is a fire drill which happens in the offices. Fire drill में मतलब so they will create a situation जहाँ पे ऐसा emergency situation हो गया, ऐसा fire drill, people have to come out from the emergency exit. वो होता था 15 मिनट का, हम लोग 2 घंटा बाहर रहते थे, ठीक है. एंड करते क्या थे, मैं नहीं करता था, बट ये होता चाय सुट्टा ब्रेक्स. आई वाज नेवर इनटू दैट, सो दैट्स फाइन. चाय पीता था, बट आई यूज्ड टू गिव कंपनी ऑफ सुट्टा पीपल. Right, this is going to happen every 1 hour. You go out, you will do that. Next is extra money. अभी हम लोगों को पॉकेट मनी मिलती है, जितनी मिलती है हम चला लेते हैं, but you will start earning. Once you start earning, you will end up spending more. More on what? Clothes. जब तक कपड़े ठीक है, खाने में बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा होने लगता है. यार मैंने ये ट्राई नहीं किया था लाइफ में, बचपन से इच्छा थी, मैंने इंटर नहीं खाया, आज खाते हैं, ठीक है. So that's what happened. And this is the vicious circle. इसमें हम फंस जाते हैं. And why from extra money? Again, slowly after a year you become a part of glamour yourself. जब नए लोग आएंगे वो आपको देखेंगे. They will take you as the role model after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So that's the vicious circle which we kind of get stuck in. और उससे बाहर निकलना is very difficult. Okay, what to expect in IT part 2. अब इन सबसे जो होता है, जब मैं पूरा vicious circle देखा, इससे होता क्या है? Binge stress eating even if you're not hungry. ये आपको कभी भी नोटिस किया रहेगा. प्लेसमेंट्स का टाइम आता है, एग्जाम्स हैं, असेसमेंट्स हैं, ये कुछ प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करना है, असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है, स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है. जब स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है, हम लोग रैंडमली बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी खाते हैं. And that creates a problem. Peer pressure to drink and smoke. अरे पी ले यार, कुछ नहीं होता. अभी I was last 3-4 days I was in Thailand for a QBR, quarterly business review. So I was getting a lot of pressure. 4-5 लोग थे कि 7-8 लोग थे जो नहीं पी रहे थे, बाकी लोग तो big group of people. अरे पी ले, नहीं करना यार, अरे नहीं पी. So a lot of people from outside, like Singapore, Australia से लोग आए, they were like, no, I don't want to do that. Is it bad? Yes, it is. Once in a while, it's okay when you take a call of yourself. Okay, sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle, सुबह उठे, ब्रश किया, नहाए नहीं, पता नहीं, मैं तो नहीं नहाता था स्टार्टिंग में, because ऑफिस जल्दी जाना होता था. Rush to the office, काम करो, खत्म, take breaks, whatever you want to take, finish the project, everything, come back to the home or flat, somewhere apart from friends right away. We used to do that and sleep. Next morning, again get up, follow the same routine, come back, sleep. That's a sedentary lifestyle. Office maybe there was no movement, they're just sitting on the chair, and there was a smoking zone. Office wale were like, okay, smoke ka chhodenge nahi, let's create a smoking zone somewhere else in the office. So they created a smoking zone. So you don't have to go outside the office, so you go there, smoke and quickly come back. Obesity and related effects. Obesity you all know, also उसके related effects. मन नहीं करता है काम करने का. Your dopamine release will we talk about dopamine a little more. But you start getting कि नहीं मेरे पास मूड नहीं है, आज Netflix देख लेता हूँ, and you end up eating more. Right? Obesity means you ऐसा नहीं कि मैं खाने की वजह से मैं obese हो रहा हूँ, मैं obese हूँ इसलिए मैं ज्यादा खा रहा हूँ. You can spend some time on that because it is little tricky. And vitals मतलब जब मैं अपना blood test कराता हूँ, urine test कराता हूँ, कि उसमें मेरा report कैसा है. So my vitals obviously go for a toss. High cholesterol levels, high triglyceride levels, insulin resistance, right? All of these start coming in. And annual gym subscriptions. 1st January New Year resolution, चलो subscribe करेंगे, 10 दिन गए and then bye. Yes. So वहाँ पे भी because you have extra money, you can now afford to enroll for a gym. Right? You saw extra money. कहाँ जाने वाला? This is also one of the points. Anybody who has done that, or know somebody who has done that? Gym membership लिया, 10 दिन के बाद. Okay, I can see some smile. That's fine. Smiles are enough for me. Yeah, how about IT transformation? So I was also part of this vicious circle when I started. Right, I was completely stuck into that circle. इसके पहले जब मैंने रिजल्ट्स देखा सब मेरे साथ हुआ है. I was like this when I was in the college. ऊपर का फोटो का ड्रेसिंग का छोड़ देना because उस टाइम पे डिजाइनर्स नहीं है हमारे पास. जो कॉम्बिनेशन समझ में आया शर्ट और टाई का मैंने पहन लिया. टाई किसी और की है, शर्ट ट्राउजर दिया. Yeah. So that's my author picture and then this is me again. These are my final year pictures when I was going for my placement. And then I became like this. Yeah. So this was me. And can you any guesses कितना टाइम लगा मेरे को ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्म होने में? 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And I've been working for 14, 15 years now. So yeah, it started in 2 years and then it continued. कभी रुका नहीं है. क्यों नहीं रुका? Because of the previous 2 slides which we saw. The vicious circle and then whatever it resulted in. So that was me in just 2 years time frame. अब ये होना सबके साथ है आज में तो कल. Yeah. But how do we prepare for it? So what I've done is, any questions so far before I progress on to the second part of it? Okay, no questions. I think I'm clear enough. Yeah, so okay. Anyways, I'll divide into 3 parts: kitchen, fitness program, and other parameters. पहले kitchen पे आते हैं. Boys, learn to cook. मैंने बहुत लेट सीखा लाइफ में, बट सीखा. And सीखने वाले की वाइफ को भी सिखा दिया. She didn't know how to cook. So that is where I say learn to cook. Lot of time what happens now, अभी मेरे को पता नहीं है कि खाना है. I kind of either phone में इतना convenient हो गया कि आप Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit आ गया, और many apps are coming in. These people are making money because of people like us. Okay, I'm not saying they should not make money, they should, but let's not misuse these applications. Let's not, okay, I move नहीं है कुछ Zomato. See, once in 10 days, 15 days is okay. I also do that. I also go out for dinner. I also eat out, and I think I will tell my clients also to eat out. Right? There's no harm in eating out. It's just that you should not be making it a habit. Cooking is very simple. It just takes 20-30 minutes max. If you do not want to get into the more complicated stuff of banana, keep your dishes very simple. Does not take time, right? Cooker डाल के सीटी लगा के, that's it. If you are not vegetarian, cook eggs, eat paneer, lot of things. So learn to cook. Take that as, and life now, you will always be busy. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज ये सोचेंगे कि आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, when I get into IT, I start with it. You get even further busier. It's not that you start getting 9 then. You will not get 9 then also, right? So learn to do that. First class protein in breakfast or the first meal. Do you know what is first class protein or protein? You know, people go to gym. What is the first class protein? Or any protein which you eat.
Chicken, paneer, soya chunks,
Chunks. अच्छा चांद साफ करेंगे, मेरे को किसी ने भी सुबह चाप बोला था। Okay. Anyone else? People doing yoga or saying? Okay. See, protein, there are multiple types of protein. So when I say first class protein, it is either animal products or dairy products. When I say dairy products, paneer, to an extent, milk में carbohydrates बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. I'll not go too much into detail of it, but your first class protein में animal products and dairy products. पनीर, कर्ड, दही हो गया, छाछ नहीं, छाछ में बहुत सारा पानी डालते हैं, becomes diluted. And eggs, right? Animal products में eggs आ गया, chicken, fish, all these things are all part of your first class protein. When I say first class protein, that means it has to have all 9 essential amino acids. ठीक है, बॉडी टोटल 20 amino acids होते हैं, जिसमें से 11 body creates on its own, 9 kind of come from our nutrition. So that is first class protein. बहुत लोग दाल खाते हैं, sprouts खाते हैं, मूंग खाते हैं, प्रोटीन के नाम पे खाओ, प्रोटीन के नाम पे खाओ, right? So make sure that, and I tell you why this first meal is protein rich, because when you eat a lot of carbohydrates, poha, upma, dosa, it spikes up the glucose levels. When it spikes up the glucose levels, glucose body already इतना सारा है, it enters in your fat cells. That is where you start gaining more fat. घी और ये सभी फैट है, but घी खाना is good, butter खाना is good. You should not be afraid of ghee, butter, coconut oil. What you should be afraid is of carbohydrates. That is what kind of creates your fat increase in the body. पोहा खाना है खाओ, try to shift it in the night, maybe during dinner time, and that is applicable for all, right? Irrespective of age group, irrespective of the gender. This is universal. First meal of the day, try to eat a good protein source. अगर 7 दिन वीक में से नहीं हो पा रहा है, it's okay. Maybe try to do it for 3 days, 4 days, so that your glucose spike is not there. because रात भर भूखे रहते हैं, and then suddenly spikes up. Next is track your protein in your daily meals. Any guesses कितना protein चाहिए होता है body को throughout the day? Any rough guesses? 2 ग्राम, 3 ग्राम, 50 ग्राम, 200 ग्राम protein. Okay. So we need at least 0.8 grams per kg body weight. Right. So let's say मेरा weight is 60 kgs, for example. So I may need 48 grams of protein at least. Somebody who is 70 kg body weight will need 56 kg or 56 grams of protein. So again, track your meals. See बाकी दिन में भी क्या खा रहे हो. So try to do that. But yeah, first meal having a protein rich meal is very important, irrespective of again age and gender. खाना ही है. Next is glycemic index. Any guesses what is glycemic index? No. Okay. Glycemic index is basically any food which you eat, वो कितना ग्लूकोज स्पाइक करेगा बॉडी में. ये हर आइटम का एक ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल बनाना का कुछ ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स रहेगा, एग्स का कुछ ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स रहेगा. सो सी whatever you are trying to kind of eat, उसका ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स कितना है. You may need to Google it sometimes, but धीरे-धीरे वो आदत बन जाएगा कि so we have to try avoiding anything which has a higher glycemic index. जितना ग्लूकोज स्पाइक कम होगा उतना बेटर है. Next is avoid replacing meals with desserts. या बाहर गए थे, desserts खा लेते हैं, खाना skip कर देंगे. That's a very very wrong thing. I'm not saying do not eat desserts. Do that, but eat it after a meal. Empty stomach, it kind of again spikes up the glucose levels. कितने लोग करते हैं? क्या खाना नहीं खाएंगे, dessert खा लेते हैं? किया है कभी ऐसे? मैंने तो किया है. I'm open with it. Right? किया है. I'm seeing some faces. Right? आज चीज केक खा लिया है, खाना नहीं खाते हैं. किया है. तो किया है. सबने किया. मैंने भी किया. There's no harm in accepting it. Right? इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि क्या नहीं करना है. So try not to replace your meal with dessert. लोग बोलते हैं मैंने आज चीज केक खा लिया, 800 कैलोरीज हो गया, मैं खाना स्किप कर दूँ. Very wrong habit. You do not have to count calories. ठीक है. कैलोरीज में मैंने बहुत 3-4 सीरीज का वीडियो बनाया है on Instagram. You can look at it. But calorie counting is a myth, right? It kind of creates a problem like this. यहाँ पे आपका ग्लूकोज स्पाइक हो रहा है, but आप सोच रहे हैं कि आज चीज के खा लेते हैं, कल वर्कआउट कर लेंगे. और वर्कआउट कभी होता नहीं है, forget about it. So workout will not never be able to compensate what you're doing. Cool. Questions on kitchen? Recipes मत पूछना, मैं खुद भी बनाता हूँ. But any other questions? Okay. No questions. सब समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay. फिटनेस प्रोग्राम. तो मैंने पूछा कितने लोग स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं. ठीक है. मैंने सुने कुछ नाम जस्ट गो But will only sport help? No, it will not. Okay, even if you look at Virat Kohli, right, David Beckham, Ronaldo, Messi, इन लोगों को भी देखोगे ना, ये लोग भी they kind of cross train themselves. They do a lot of strength training. They do a lot of cardio training. Sports में ना, sports will kind of make you kind of आपको खाली स्पोर्ट्स खेलने लायक नहीं बनाएगा, but not training for your life. स्पोर्ट के आज मैं स्पोर्ट खेल रहा हूँ, ऐसे मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. Will I be able to play cricket when I'm 50? No. Right? Or maybe yes, maybe no. I do not know. Right? Nobody knows. So only sport will not help. So जितने भी sportsmen आप देखते हो या sports women आप देखते हो, everybody does strength training. That is very important. Strength training is important for your joints, elbow, knee, back, neck, right? All these finger के joints हैं. इन सब में भी आपको strength training काम आती है. So make sure you include strength training in your routine. There's one more reason of strength training which I'll come to it later, but yeah, do not rest yourself only on sport. Take out some time, do strength training at least twice a week or thrice a week. That is what I kind of build into my clients. Okay, I think one person is said that's fine. Okay, so alright, so enroll for both strength and cardio training. So strength training we spoke about, and cardio sport के लिए तो स्लो हो जाता है cardio, but do a lot of cardio exercise. Second, पैसा खर्चा नहीं करना है जिम में जाके पहले दिन पे या जिम मेंबरशिप ले लेते हैं, नया साल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, do not do that. When you go to offices, specifically IT के बड़े offices ना, वहाँ पे there's a gym setup already. You can go to that gym. There are people working out there. Try to use those amenities. Or when you go and stay in some apartments, building, nowadays every building, every society has got a good setup. Try to use that setup. Try to use those amenities first. Try to be consistent for 2 months, 3 months. Once you see yourself going regularly for the 3 months, then go and enroll in a gym. Right? Next is get a coach if you're not sure. And a lot of time people do not know what to do. They can end up kind of getting injured. Try hiring a coach for that. Coach is a little expensive, but I'm not saying go for a personal training. But yeah, maybe you can also try online sessions. Right? Now it will also save some time. The price is also not very high. Try to do that. And so that is another thing. Others, vitals check once a year. Earlier ना, पहले people used to do this vital check after the age of 40. After the age of 40, they used to do an annual checkup. You blood test कराना है, urine test कराना है, और हमारे reports are coming. That age is slowly now getting down to 30. After 30, you should start doing that because the lifestyle which we are into, specifically people in IT, other companies, people still move, manufacturing, production, retail, people do a lot of movement. Specifically in IT, it becomes very difficult because we are just sitting and not doing anything at all. Apart from those types of tablets, we do not move. So it becomes very important that we kind of see how does our vitals look. Next is try to go off screen sometime. See, I tell you, morning, I start my day at around 5:30 in the morning and I go until 11 o'clock in the night. But at least my morning 3-4 hours I do my sessions where I kind of train my clients. I start my work at around 10 o'clock in the morning. From morning 10 until night 11 o'clock, I'm in just front of my laptop. Right? And when I go to sleep, and I try to change that habit now a little bit, but when I go to sleep, my brain kind of still processes those images. And my sleep quality goes for a toss. And that's gonna happen with you guys as well. Right? So try करो कि जब break ले लो ना, not to look at your phone. Try avoiding that. Maybe put some screen limit. कि Instagram देखना है, maybe just put a 30-minute limit. Or there was a time when I kind of reached that limit of 2 hours, 3 hours on Instagram, 3-4 years back. I had to put a limit. Try taking baby steps to kind of improve on your lifestyle. So screen time बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, and when I kind of work, we kind of work on multiple screens. There's one laptop, there's another screen, there's a third screen. We connect all these screens, and then I kind of keep my eyes moving. मेरा आँखों का yoga होता रहता है, left to right. That is how it is. That is how the IT world will kind of kill you in terms of your sleep cycle habits. So make sure that you have some off-screen time. Right? Toffee. Anyone knows TOFI? What is it? ये खाने वाली टॉफी नहीं है, उसका स्पेलिंग भी अलग है. But any idea on what is TOFI? Okay. अभी मैंने जो अपना फोटो दिखाया ना, that was my question answer कि मैं कॉलेज से आईटी में कैसा हो गया, right? You will see a lot of people who kind of binge eat, who do a lot of smoking, drinking, but still are very lean. हमको लगता है यार आप तो फिट हैं, हमको कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. These are the people who are majorly at risk, right? Reason being, coffee is basically thin outside, fat inside. Because we're not able to see fatness from outside, बाहर से we are seeing person is still lean, but अंदर से he's becoming fat. ठीक है? And not go too much into detail, but we have got two type of fats in the body. ठीक है? Subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat जो मेरे को दिखता है, I can pinch and see कि हाँ मेरे को fat है body में. Visceral fat is something which covers your organs as in liver, kidney, intestines, heart for that matter. ठीक है? तो वहाँ पे fat accumulate होना start होता है. And then when getting more visceral fat is dangerous than having subcutaneous fat. ठीक है? मैं बाहर से मोटा हूँ पर मेरा visceral fat कम है. I'm still at a safe spot. और मैं बाहर से पतला हूँ, अंदर से मेरा fat बढ़ रहा है organs के बीच. I'm at a killing stage. I'm telling you. तो अगर ऐसे लगता है आपको कि मैं पतला हूँ, मेरे को वर्कआउट की जरूरत नहीं है, it's a very wrong mindset. Get out of that mindset right now. ठीक है? Try to do some movement, try to include strength training, cardio training, whatever we spoke about. और आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसे हैं? वो मार्केट में टेस्ट होते हैं, डेक्सा स्कैन वगैरह महंगे हैं, नहीं करनी जरूरत, मैंने भी कभी नहीं किया है. ठीक है? यहाँ पे ना लीन पीपल सी लॉट ऑफ छोटा सा बेली पाउच निकला रहेगा, छोटा सा ना फैट एक्यूमुलेशन नहीं होता, बाकी पूरी बॉडी लीन है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे फैट रहेगा. बॉडी के मेजर ऑर्गन्स यही है, और किडनीज हो गया, लिवर हो गया, इंटेस्टाइन्स हो गया, पूरा बॉडी पतला है, यहाँ पे छोटा सा पेट हल्का जैसा निकला रहेगा. ठीक है? that is a sign of high visceral fat. So if you see people like that, बोलना मत जाके अपने आप को चेक करो. ठीक है? ना होगा. ठीक है? बुक करना नहीं देना किसी को. So look at yourself कि मैं उस स्टेज में तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं पतला तो हूँ, मेरे को 10 साल हो गया, 15 साल हो गया आईटी में काम करते हुए, but I now look like that. So keep that in mind when you kind of 10 years from now कि हाँ कोई आया था उसने बोला था मैं वैसा ही हो. It's an alarm. ठीक है? Questions? No? Okay. Next is meat. which मैं डिटेल में कवर करूँगा next slide में, but any idea what is meat? 2-3 स्लाइड बचा है, मैं डाटा. Okay. Meat is basically तो TDEE, total daily energy expenditure, ये टर्म है फिटनेस में कि हम दिन भर में कितनी एनर्जी बर्न कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? तो उसका एक बाइफर्केशन है, वो बाइफर्केशन ऐसा दिखता है. Eat, meat, fat, BMR. Any idea जो भी हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना रहता है फैट लॉस में या वेट लॉस जर्नी में या एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर जर्नी में? मैं स्लाइड दिखा दिया, आइडिया लग जाएगा थोड़ा बात से समझने. बढ़िया. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना यार जिम जाके 2 घंटा वर्कआउट किया, उसके बाद में मेरा वेट कम नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? That is because of this EAT. Exercise हम जिम में कर रहे हैं, that contributes only 5% on your calorie loss. सिर्फ 5%. सुबह कभी नहीं कम करेगा. तो अगर मैं दिन भर में 2000 कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ 5% उस 2000 की जिम में बर्न कर रहा हूँ. नाउ इमेजिन मैंने अपने खाने को डेजर्ट से रिप्लेस कर दिया, कितना से को वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा तो बर्न दोस्त है, बिकॉज ये सिर्फ 5% कर रहा है. दैट इज ईट, एक्सरसाइज, एक्टिविटी, थर्मोजेनेसिस. इसके अलावा मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है मीट का, which is non-exercise activity थर्मोजेनेसिस. तो मेरा जो पहले का था कि learn how to cook, that will fall under meat. Meat contributes 15% in your calorie burning throughout the day. तो मैं दिन भर कितना मूव कर रहा हूँ, कितना मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, it can be any work. बाहर से जाके सामान लेके आना, मे बी वॉशिंग योर क्लोथ्स, कपड़े सुखाना, फोल्ड करना, खाना बनाना, all this is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. कि कितना मैं एनर्जी बर्न कर रहा हूँ while doing non-exercise. Next is thermal effect of food. प्रोटीन खाने का एक फायदा और है, because body consumes more energy to burn that protein. तो वो खाने को प्रोसेस करने में कितना टाइम जा रहा है, इस thermal effect of food. Last comes is BMR. कभी सोचा नींद में भी कैलोरीज बर्न होती है? When you sleep, that is the time जहाँ पे again you burn calories. That is BMR, basic metabolic rate. When your entire body functions are at pause, only your heart is moving, your lungs are moving. That's it. उस टाइम पे भी your calorie loss happens, and for that you need a good body basal metabolic rate. ठीक है, so we to try कि हम लोग नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी बढ़ाएं. अगर मेरा किसी दिन जिम मिस हो गया है, किसी दिन वर्कआउट मिस हो गया है, so give 2 to 3 days break to my clients, but I tell them to increase the need. And that is very important. Questions on the previous slide. And I'm telling you, IT में जाके टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला सब करने का. So be very mindful when you get into that. You take out some half an hour, 45 minutes to do that. Even it does not matter what time of the day you're doing it. It does not matter मेरा night shift है. मुझसे सुबह उठ के वर्कआउट नहीं होगा. बॉडी का डिमांड है. बॉडी needs to take rest. Body needs to sleep. So if you're working in a night shift, go to the gym. Maybe at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's fine. Do something. Why is it important? For your mind first and then body. A lot of people come to me and go weight loss करना मेरे पास मत आओ. It is more about lifestyle improvement, right? When you work out, when you move, body releases dopamine, happy hormone that are body, right? That kind of helps you in your improving your brain function. That is where you will be able to perform well. When I said key, from day one you will be performing well in your companies, this is how you will do that. When body releases dopamine, body mind kind of refreshes. That's a happy hormone. Dopamine releases, right? You will be performing well. You will be more concentrated. जितना ज़्यादा concentrate कर पाओगे office में, right? You will be performing, and then comes the body. ठीक है, body में जो changes हैं that will happen. Vitals to be in range, right? So when we spoke about blood tests and all these annual checkups, being fit and being healthy are different. Any thoughts on this? What is fit? What is healthy? Why is it different? I need some answers. What is fit? What is healthy? Any rough random guesses are good. No, यार, कुछ तो बताओ. What is being fit? What is being healthy? No guesses. Any random guesses?
We are those which are time calories is to be.
Okay.
Fitness is what we have a craze nowadays.
Okay. Alright, good perspective. What else? Anyone else? Some random answers. Placement interview में यही आप project करना.
Being fit as a person who is more interested into fit and going gym and yoga. And being healthy means someone who is more interested in having healthy lifestyle.
Okay.
Like healthy food, proper sleep or yoga exercise.
Okay. Alright. That's good. Thank you. What else? I need one more answer. दो girls in the area. Now somebody from this side. Yeah.
I guess being fit means physically and being healthy means with the mind as well.
Okay. ठीक है. So fit means am I fit to do this? Am I fit to lift something which is fallen on the floor? Am I fit to play cricket? Am I fit to play football? Like fitness is activity specific. Okay, somebody who is very good in cricket may not be able to do deadlift, right, in gym. Somebody who is very good at doing deadlift may not be fit enough to play a sport. That is where fit means. हम लोग फिटनेस को ना बहुत ऐसा जेनरिक टर्म लेके चलते हैं कि यार ये तो फिट है ओके, किसके लिए? फिट पढ़ाई के लिए हो सकता है, फिट खेलने के लिए हो सकता है, फिट जिम जाके वहां पे डंबल उठाने के लिए हो सकता है, but what is he fit for? That is fit, right? It is very much activity specific. Health means our vitals are in place, right? Am I fit or am I healthy enough from inside? Is my blood report coming fine? Is my other vitals coming in fine? Okay, that is being healthy. Now I can be a little bit overweight, but I can still be healthy from inside. Whereas I can be in the range of my weight as per the BMI width, but I'm not healthy enough. Yeah, so ये difference someone is very important. That being healthy and being fit are two different things. So now open up your perspective and think: am I healthy or am I fit to do a task? Okay, so we want to get into fit तो रहना ही है, कुछ और करने के लिए, sport के लिए fit रहना है, but being healthy is very important. prevent sarcopenia and osteoporosis. दो technical terms हैं. Sarcopenia basically is muscle loss after the age of 40, specifically in women, right? So for all the ladies in here, you have to be very careful of this term. Does that mean males में नहीं होता है, but female का rate of getting sarcopenia is a little faster because of hormone changes. होता क्या sarcopenia? After age of 40, every year you start losing muscle mass. ठीक है, बचपन में बायोलॉजी पढ़ा था, सेल्स डेड होती हैं, नई सेल्स आती हैं, सेल्स का रीजनरेशन होता है, राइट? That process of regeneration of cells starts slowing down a little bit. That is where your muscle mass slowly starts reducing. देखे होंगे बहुत लोग जो थोड़ा बेंड होके चलते हैं, थोड़ा लिफ्ट करते हैं when they walk, right? None of this is there. And I've seen people in IT go into that a lot, right? They do not realize, but after 40 they get into that mode. I'll cover that. My 80% clients are from IT and above the age of 30, right? That is, I said, 32, 33 years of age. Am I saying कि वो सब लोग healthy नहीं है? They are. A lot of these people are healthy. They are coming to me because now, after 30, they realize कि बस fitness जरूरी है. Or a good health is important, movement is important, right? That is what sarcopenia is, when you start losing your muscle mass, specifically in women. Osteoporosis, bone density धीरे-धीरे कम होना होता है. So both these things are linked when you start losing your bone density. Next is good quality sleep. Your movement इतना थका दो अपने आप को with your work, be very careful. Do not, I will not say कि काम को ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी दो, मूवमेंट को मत दो, give equal importance. What I do personally is मैंने अपने, because now I know my working hours, right? What I've done is I put a blocker in my calendar. So once you start using Outlook and other email boxes, you can actually put your blocker in. कि बस सुबह 7 से 8 का time is my workout time. Do not block my time. So when people schedule meetings in IT, they look at your availability. Is this person available during these hours or not? If you're not available, then not schedule a meeting. And then people tell me कि यार मेरे पास time नहीं है. So time है, you're not utilizing it. Put a blocker in your calendar from day one. कि बस सुबह 7 to 8 का time is my workout का time. Or my playing time, whatever you're doing. Same thing, if you're working a night shift, maybe put a blocker in the afternoon sometime. But put a blocker of 1 hour. Right? And इतना थका दो अपने आप को with your work, with your movement, that you kind of go to bed and you sleep immediately. I don't do that. Abhi, when I go to bed, it just takes me 1 minute to sleep. Like a lot of people will toss and turn, सोचते रहेंगे, phone देखते रहेंगे, आंखें रात में lights बंद करके, you'll never get into sleep, right? Realization after 30, as I said, which we said was earlier, people earlier 40, save some money on your hospital bills later. हम लोग इतना IT में people are into a perception बहुत पैसा आता है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, so don't get into that. But yeah, you will get money because at least we are not earning right now, but we start earning now after maybe a year or 6 months or whatever time frame. So try to save that money. Do not spend it on your hospital bills, right? And be independent. That's my intention of working out of the day. That I have to be independent when I grow old, maybe 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, God knows, I don't know. But when I go to that age, I should be independent enough. When I say independent, I should be able to do my things on my own. Right? Cool. Questions on this? Any other things which you think could be important for us to move? Okay? पढ़ो ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? ठीक है? So I'm into heaven when I used to click myself from day one. वर्कआउट चालू किया, I used to click, I used to put it on Instagram. अच्छा लगता है because I want to see how am I progressing, right? And then I used to get a comment like this. इतना ट्रेनिंग के बाद भी मोटो है, ठीक है? It's one of my college friends. And lot of people used to think that way. They didn't tell me, but they used to think that way, right? Lot of people, lot of my friends used to tell me that. अरे कर ले, वर्कआउट करता है, कुछ होता नहीं, खा ले, पी ले, right? They used to tell me that. And this is something which will happen with everyone, right? इतना वर्कआउट करता है तो भी मेरे को I don't want to go and participate in a bodybuilding competition, right? I don't have to ऐसा पूरा muscular नहीं बनना है मेरे को कि जाके मैं I'm working out for myself, right? And then when people used to send me comments like this, there are 3 questions which I used to answer myself. Number 1, whose journey is it? The person who's asking me that question, or myself, whom I'm working out on myself. It's my journey. I don't give it a damn what the सामने वाला is thinking, right? I want to make sure, and it is applicable in your career as well. या तू रात भर काम करता रहता है, तू ना कर रहा है, right? That is something which is your journey. It is your wish to work out, or it is your wish to work throughout the night. As I told you, right, my initial career, I used to work Monday to Sunday. People were telling companies में extra पैसे दे दिए काम नहीं दे दिए, क्यों कर रहा है? मेरा मन है. I like working. I'm a workaholic. I like working. I'm doing it. It's my wish. I want to go. I want to get the opportunities, right? I want to get this thing. I want to get exposure. I want to grow in my life. That is why I'm doing it, not because only for the sake of money, right? That applies in your career. That applies in your workout situation. It's my journey. I need to decide कि मेरे को अपने आप को कहाँ लेके जाना है, right? So do that. The second question is, am I comparable? I'm not. I'm the best. Think it that way, right? Don't compare yourself with anyone for that matter. Be it work, be it outside work. You are doing your best. सबका capacity is different. कल को कोई ठीक है, if you look at lines of codes, एक आदमी 10 lines of codes खुद से लिख रहा है, एक आदमी 50 लिख रहा है. It's okay. You kind of see yourself कि हाँ मेरे को एक दिन वो achieve करना है. That's a different thing. But don't compare yourself with anyone, right? And what if someday as in, what if I reach a level after my movements, after my workouts, a condition may be like this, will I stop working out? Will I stop moving? I'll not. I'll continue to work out. I'll continue to move. मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार. मैं when I started my fitness journey, I was at 95-96 kgs. Now I'm at 65. Have I stopped moving? No. Have I stopped working out? No. I'm still doing it. So 95 में करते रहो ना, काम ना करना. Right? So these are the 3 questions which I used to ask in the end. So in the end, it's all about me. Right? It's all about you guys. Right? Questions. So कल भी कोई ऐसा बोलता है ना कि वर्कआउट कर रहा है तभी मोटा है. Ignore. ठीक है? Ignore. I've seen this picture and comment. मैं अपने क्लाउड को डाल के रखा हूँ उसको. ठीक है? Alright. Now I think we have spent enough time sitting at a place. Now let's do some movements and try to increase our NEAT. कौन बताएगा NEAT का फुल फॉर्म क्या और उसका मतलब क्या? Maybe I've seen that. फुल फॉर्म नहीं बताया तो भी चलेगा. You can just tell me what does it mean. फुल फॉर्म मेरे को भी day 1 पे याद नहीं हुआ. You should be understanding the context. नॉन एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड मूवमेंट्स. ठीक है, करें थोड़ा सा. क्या करता था? What all do you do when you are sitting at, so you go to gym, you do yoga, anything which you do when you sit at your place for long hours, or you keep sitting, group playing cricket, right? So anything which you guys do when you are sitting at your place. नहीं, जब आप उसमें अच्छी meditation and any physical movement. Walk कब? मतलब after your working hours? नहीं, what I mean is, let's say you are working where you are sitting in your classrooms. Session चल रहा है. Do you do any movements बीच में? Or you keep sitting for long hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, keep sitting. तो वो हमको ना avoid करना है. I'm not saying कि टीचर पढ़ा रहा है चले जाओ क्लासरूम से बाहर. मतलब देखो गाली पड़ेगा क्या बोल के गया है वो. But my point is, do some sort of movement, right? Lot of time ना हमारा लैपटॉप यहाँ रहता है. We can't keep sitting here. सर ऊपर कर दो. Move your wrists, move your fingers, right? Move your ankle rotations करो. So we do some bit of it here, so that when you kind of go back to your classrooms, when you go back to the IT world, you know क्या करना है. ठीक है, try. When you get into projects, into companies, try not to sit more than 15-20 minutes at your place. हर 15-20 मिनट खड़े हो, take a walk for 1 minute, come back. कोई मना नहीं करेगा. Classroom में obviously you have to be present because teacher is teaching you. You should not be doing that. When you get into the offices, make sure that you do that. 15-20 minutes max. खड़े हो, go take a round. If you are on a call, take your laptop. सब जगह Wi-Fi है. ठीक है, laptop लेके move करते करते बात करो. no harm in that, right? So थोड़ा सा करेंगे अभी. Ready, everyone? Okay, I want everyone to do that. Okay, we'll start with head. We go until toes. Right. First one we do just neck. Go up and hold it there for 10 seconds. ऊपर ऐसे hold करना है. हम लोग हमेशा नीचे देखते रहते हैं. You start feeling गले गर्दन के पीछे कुछ तो फील हो रहा है. बहुत टाइम हो गया देखा नहीं मैं ऊपर. Right. Alright. Again down, bring it down. Again go up. Look at 10 seconds. Keep breathing. 5 more seconds. Down. Look at your left पूरा. ठीक है. Left में देखो सब लोग. फिर left इधर है. Right है. ठीक है. Left देखना है. Now with your left hand. सर पकड़ो अपना पीछे से. With your left hand itself. ठीक है. Pull your head down. Look at your armpit. Look at your armpit. Okay. Stretch. Hold. 5 seconds hold करेंगे. Okay. Now look at your right. Right at this side. Now right hand से पकड़ो and pull your head down. Look at your armpit. Right armpit. इसको बोलते हैं trapezius muscle. This should stretch. Okay. Now हाथ आगे ले लो straight. पकड़ लो यहाँ 20 seconds. Move your wrist clockwise 5 times. Anti-clockwise 5 times. Keep doing clockwise again. Anti-clockwise again. Take your arms up. Okay, move your fingers close, open, close, open, close, open. Continue. हाथ पूरा straight रखना है. Elbows भी पूरा extended. Elbows bent. हाथ पूरा straight. कितने दिन पहले हाथ ऊपर किए थे? यही नहीं थे. कीबोर्ड पे हाथ रखते हैं. Continue. 5 more seconds. सबको शोल्डर आज लगेगा बॉडी का पार्ट है. ओके. नाउ साइडवेज नीचे लेके आ जाओ. है शोल्डर के पार्ट. खड़े हो जाओ. कदम का किया करें. स्पॉट मार्क्स बोलते हैं करेंगे. ठीक है. कदम कदम बढ़ाया जाओ. ऊपर लेना है, नीचे आना है. जस्ट लेफ्ट नी अप, डाउन, राइट नी अप एंड डाउन. पैर को जितना ऊपर ला सकते हो उतना ऊपर लेके आओ. Try to bring it to your chest level. Please go chest level up. देखो ज़्यादा नहीं रहा. Okay. थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर बैठ करें. स्क्वाट्स करिए थोड़े से. स्क्वाट्स की जगह ज़्यादा नहीं है. Sit down on your chair, get up. Sit down on your chair, get up. 10 times. Okay, चलो 1 down and up. 2 down, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So अभी sit down, we do ankle rotations. कैसे करना है? रोटेट करना है तो बस. ठीक है. चलो राइट साइड ऊपर ले लो पहले. ये जो अच्छा लगा ना, दिस इज डोपामिन. ठीक है. जो डोपामिन में बोल रहा था, दिस इज व्हाट डोपामिन इज. जितना मूवमेंट करोगे उतना बॉडी डोपामिन रिलीज करेगी. When I say dopamine, it is the happy hormone of the body. It is the food for the brain. जितना मूवमेंट उतना डोपामिन, उतना हैप्पी मूड, उतना कंसंट्रेशन इन योर वर्क एंड इन योर स्टडीज. इसलिए when I say workout for your brain, not for the body. ठीक है? Workouts खुशी देंगे, movements खुशी देगा, and that is where you will be able to excel in whatever you are doing from day one. Cool. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes.
Enjoyed?
Yes.
Enjoyed? Yes. Louder, louder. All right. Cool. Have a happy Independence Day, everyone. Tomorrow, enjoy, have a good time, and try to do some good thing for the nation. Right? And Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.